Welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox something like I have ordered from Amazon. So let's unbox it. So I like these kind of boxes. In one of the previous videos I have told that how they send folded cardboards with stickers on. This is a proper box and this is a proper unboxing. Yeah. So these are two daily used items in the kitchen. Let's cut this open. These are two very important items in the kitchen, especially when you come to the south. This is a coconut grater, which when you come to the South Indian dishes, coconut is a very important staple and very important item in most of our dishes. So this is one of the valuable items in the kitchen. So you cut the coconut open and you do this. That's one. And this is something we use to chip the coconut. Once you have the coconut cut open, you can do it like this for grating and grinding. Grating is already done with this. So for making some chutneys and all, you can chip the coconuts like that. And I think this portion can be used for breaking coconut also, if you are careful with this section. This section is very sharp. This can be used for breaking coconut also. You can hold it like this, hold the coconut like this, and you can do that. And just careful with this part. This is very sharp. So I have a coconut with me to demonstrate this tool. If you look at that, there is too much husk. This could have cleared out. Yeah. It's kind of very difficult to break because this is very small. But you can use it for chipping. But breaking, I am not so sure. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's broken. Yep. See how perfectly it is broken. So now I'll demonstrate how to chip the coconut with this one. See, if you look at this, you can do stuff like this. Now we can see the coconut scraper in action. Yeah, there it is. So these two are really important for a kitchen. Yeah, so these are the things that we unboxed today. Thanks for watching. See you in another one.